Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my vlog. Okay, John Lee TV and the house. Ayan guys. Sound check tayo guys. Operated by DG Jones, and ating sound system is Jones Audio Lights and Sounds. Okay, ayan guys. Ikot natin yan guys. Okay. Natin yung ayan guys, i-play natin guys. Okay, still watching lang guys. Okay, yeah, welcome back to my vlog. Okay, John Lee TV and the house. Ayan guys. Okay, okay yan guys. Yan ang gamit natin guys. Full range lang guys mga guys. Nakawan. Okay, iikot natin guys para makita nyo. Ikot natin yung camera. Yan. Yan guys, yung ating setup is mix tayo guys. Okay, ang ating mixer is iMix Curve 8 mga ka-Janli. Ayan, okay. Then yung ating mga guys is made by Proland audio cable guys. Okay, message lang guys kung gusto niyo magpa-symbol o kanyang pwede yung i-message din. Proland audio cable ng Aerod, Quezon City guys. Pero kung gusto niyo rin sa akin guys, para direct din sa akin guys, okay, sa aking YouTube channel John Lee TV guys. Ayan, yan yung powered by routable Rockstone guys. Ayan, low profile guys. Ayan guys. Ayan siya guys. iMix yung ating full range lang gamit ko ngayon guys. Okay. Then i-share ko na rin. Ayan yung ating NX12 made by Mactic Audioworks guys. Then yung ating gamit ngayon guys is yan yung may hindi ko pa na kaya nakaibabaw pa lang yung Twitter ko yan. Crown upgraded na yan guys. Yung sub niyan guys, full range yan guys, may sub siya D10 Din yung ating yan NX12 guys, hindi tumutunog yan. Saka yung ating RCF copy. Ayan. Ayan guys. Yung sub natin guys is Atomic ang nakalagay dyan guys. Okay, ayan siya. Okay, yung crown full range lang guys. Ayan din ating yeah. Then yung ating mga pihit guys, ayan, ganyan lang, 0 dB lang siya guys. Ayan. Para swak na swak yung music natin. Ayan, lakasan pa natin ng konti.
DJ Anton Remix.
Ayan guys. Then naka-try din yan yung setup natin guys sa J Jones Audio Lights and Sounds guys. Message lang guys any rental, any setup guys. For share lang to yung aking Sonic Ultramizer ganyan guys. Powered by ayan guys, Behringer. Din ang ating ayan KEQ231 guys. KEQ231 professional stereo graphic equalizer guys, powered by ayan Concert. Din ating yan guys, pang full full range lang kaya din ang ating gamit is ayan. Lakasan na pa natin ng konti ka. Almost almost 9 o'clock pa lang guys. Then yung ating pangsab lang guys, ayan lang bigay ni Lord sa atin. Thank you Lord. At nakabuo tayo ng sound system guys. Bali yung 502 guys, yan yung pang ano natin compression. Then ito yung pang mid high driver. Pero sa ngayon naka full range lang ako guys. Ayan din ang ating audio source is ayan. Powered by Fujitsu guys, yung ating laptop. Okay. Ayan siya guys. Okay. Shout out dyan sa ating mga ka-audio mobile system, Sounds and Lights Group Chapter Taguig, kay G Audio Lights and Sound, Don Light and Sounds. Ayan, sa buong ano na lang audio mobile system, shout out guys. Okay? Yan yung ating setup ngayon guys. Ayan, puro deep ano ang ating sounds ngayon. Alam ko hindi naman yung copyright guys o ginagamit ano. Ayan siya guys. Kaya ang linis tingnan guys pag yung naka ano tayo guys, low profile routable Rockstone guys. Ayan, pag gusto niyo magpa ano guys, DIY made paggawa guys, kay message lang guys, message lang sa ating YouTube channel Janly TV. Okay. Full range lang tayo ngayon guys, pero ginamitan ko siya ng ayan, Sonic Maximizer guys, powered by Behringer din. Ang aking equalizer is EQ231 guys din. Ayan guys, ang ating The Legend, ayan, Sakura, ayan guys, 737 guys, tama ba? Nalilito na. Ayan, tama, 737 guys, powered by Sakura guys. Then yan yung pang-sub natin guys, ayan. Yung old version Jupiter guys, ayan. Mga naunang version ng okay. Sana guys naibigan nyo itong aking vlog today, ayan. For share lang guys, ayan, ang inyong lingkod, ayan, vlogger, ayan, Janly TV, yan ang inyong operator and DJ Jones. Ayan guys, okay. Okay, thank you so much for watching and God bless to everyone po.